All right, guys, we have less than 1 week remaining to get entered into my very first giveaway. If you didn't already know, I'm giving away this beautiful 2006 Chevy Silverado. All you have to do to be entered is head over to chillinwithchet.com and purchase any of the items on my store. Every $5 spent equals 1 entry into the giveaway. Now that you know how to get entered, I wanted to take you guys along with me as I get this bad girl cleaned up and ready for its new home. As you can see, this truck was in desperate need of a wash and a polish. Thankfully, I have my boy Sam's complete line of detailing products, and to be completely honest, this is the first time using all of his products and putting it to the test. But wow, seriously, this truck has never looked this great. I got the one side done here. Sam, you're not that great. I'm gonna tell you right now. Your products are making it look super easy. All right, I finished up. I got her all polished up. She's looking good. Now though, we need to head over to my friend Sean over at Unique Car Audio. He said that he would put a stereo in this. So without further ado, let's head over. All right, everybody, I'm down here at my friend's shop, Unique Car Audio. He decided to jump on board and help us out with the giveaway truck. So I'm gonna go inside and he's gonna show us what they did to it, and I think you guys are gonna really think it's pretty cool. All right, let's go over everything you did for this perfect work truck we got here.
Perfect work truck. V8, got a JVC radio.
All right.
Apple CarPlay.
Nice.
Rockford mids and tweets.
Sweet.
That's 2 JL10s getting ran by 800 watt amp.
All right, let's check it out. Ooh, we have a nice, turn that all the way up. I don't even know why they give me one. We should just leave it up. Nice, super clean. All right. Heck yeah. So we put a new cap on here, which is nice. That cleaned that up. We got a new steering wheel. The other one was like a little chunky. We got a new seat cover and cushion there. It was, wore out over time, which that happens here. And then we got, let's see what we got. Oh, that's nice. They did a custom box in the back as well. So right now, guys, I'm gonna take the old girl over to a local tint guy. So we're gonna get it all tinted up. And then after that, we're gonna be going over and getting a bed liner sprayed in over the next day or so. When that's all done, we're gonna be taking it over to another shop. We had a little shake in the rear end. I talked about it in another video. I think we have that figured out, probably just the pinion angle. And then we're gonna be adding nitrous. Go ahead, Sean, just tell us a little bit about Unique Car Audio.
Well, we've been around forever. We're in Gilbert at Elliott McQueen. Been around in this location 22 years. Total in business of Unique Car Audio's 35 years. Can't believe it. We specialize in anything inside a car. So we build custom boxes molded to your car. We build door panels. We love our focal product and we put it in the doors. We'll do side-by-sides. Shoot, one time we put tunes in a garbage can. We'll do anything you want. Really, if it has wheels, we'll put tunes on it.
Well, I just wanted to say, awesome, thank you. I've been working with you for, at least 15 years now, I feels like. I've had a lot of vehicles come through here. You've always taken really good care of me. And with this, it's a lot of fun to do this giveaway truck. I have that crazy black Silverado we're gonna be building soon. The Lightning, we had a really awesome plan for that, but maybe that will come back around and do some insane system with the Ford Lightning, but that one you guys know is down for the count. So thank you very much for helping us get this one dialed and helping with all the little odds and ends, getting that truck dialed and ready for the giveaway. Okay guys, we just got back. I decided to put in a spray and bed liner. I love these things. And Yachty did it here, they're a local business. We also had them put on this cap here. So there was a lot of dents and dings along here. So cleaned all that up. We also got the windows tinted, and I just threw on some new taillights that came in. The old ones were old and cracked and needed to be replaced. And what is this over here? Holly just sent us this NOS system. Looks to be, just a basic stage 1. I've never done one before, but I figured let's do it together. Also, have been noticing that the cold starts have not been very good on this. And I'm thinking it needs a little bit of a tune-up. I need to go get a Flowmaster exhaust put on this as well. We'll see if we get this thing running perfect. We'll see. We got to get this thing running perfect and optimize it for the NOS system. So let's start getting it figured out. Inside the engine bay, it's really clean. One thing I was talking about too is, it was involved in what I consider a minor wreck. It didn't get into anything heavy in here. Didn't even break the radiator. I have all new parts in here though. I actually put a new brace, this rear brace in here. So the wreck was never that bad actually. But it does look really, really clean and nice. A little deceiving though. So I'm gonna take a look at the air cleaner, check my mass sensor, go through a few other things, maybe do an injector cleaner, see if that will clean it up. The basic stuff whenever your car's not running that great and you want to figure out why and get the gas mileage back, because the gas mileage on this thing is terrible right now. So I know this, these older 4.8 liters were not designed to do very well, but I'm talking like 10 miles a gallon or something like that right now. Just normal driving, little lightweight truck. So we got to get it figured out. All right, so this old mass sensor here wasn't too bad. I'm just gonna swap it out for a new one. It's only 80 bucks. Just a good peace of mind. I've had these fail on me before, even if they look bad or not. I just wanna make sure this thing is running perfect. I also have this new air filter, this K&N. Throw that in, it's super easy. Kind of starting about the same as it was before. I might just be thinking, too much into it. It may just be how it starts and, what kind of gas mileage I'm, supposed to get. We're gonna find out. I'm also gonna be putting that Techron, that fuel injector cleaner, see if that helps at all. But right now I have no check engine lights. It's all running good. I'm gonna run down to Old Town Chandler and find myself a muffler shop. I used to have one. The guy ended up selling, but I'm gonna go there and see if they're still kind of cool down there where they'll do it right then and get themselves some like a MagnaFlow or Flowmaster or something like that. Just something to make it sound a little bit more manly. All right, just picking it up. We got exhaust put on. Let's see if we can see it under here. All right, it's gonna sound a lot better. I tell you what, man, with her out here like this on the road, I guarantee people have asked him if it's for sale today. Everywhere I go around town, people love this truck. Thumbs up, it's crazy how much they really like this truck. See how she sounds? I did left the cats on, so it's not gonna be too loud. Honestly, it sounds really stock inside. It's not too loud or anything. I figured if you guys want to, the winter wants to take off the cats, do whatever they want to do, have at it. I figured I'd leave it completely legal with all the EPA stuff going around these days. So just put on a nice, big can on the back. So it probably sounds a lot better on the outside, but on the inside, still nice and quiet. So now I'm gonna head back. I need to open up the box, the Holley Nitrous system that they sent me. I need to open the box and kind of see what I'm looking at here. I don't think it's gonna be too bad. It should be fairly easy install. I think maybe what I'll do is a separate video, kind of an install video for beginners, kind of, coming from somebody who's never installed one before. And I think those videos are sometimes the best when you want to learn how to do things, as long as they're put together well and they don't have a lot of filler. Because when you're a professional and you put together stuff, you already have a lot of things assumed that, when you're new and you haven't seen these things before and you haven't put them together before, there's like little simple things can hang you up. So I think this will be a good fun video that I'll do an install video on a stage 1 Holley NOS system. But for now, time to get back. All right, so we have the Holley system all laid out. Unfortunately, I am running out of time and I'm not gonna be able to get it installed. I have to leave town, taking my daughter to Disney World. Well, no, I should say Disneyland, actually in California for the weekend. So I'll have to do this when I get back. But guys, remember, go to chillinwithchet.com. Every $5 spent will get you 1 entry into the giveaway for this truck. Right now, I'm telling you, the odds are great. Some of the best out there, I would say. So if you wanna win this bad boy mamma jamma, no, not this one, the truck here, make sure you get in. Only got a few days left.